The Silk Road. The Silk Road, more accurately known as the Silk Routes, was a network of routes that stretched more than 4,000 miles from China to Eastern Europe. It got its name because one of the most traded goods along this route was Chinese silk. The Silk Road wasn't one road, but a network of roads that were themselves connected to yet more roads. Merchants and tradesmen would pick up goods from one part of the route, then travel together in caravans, groups of people and animals, such as camels, to other points along the Silk Road. Traveling in groups was the safest option because bandits were common along the route. In a time before engines and motors, travel was slow. Traders could also only carry relatively small amounts of goods with them. Because of this, trade along the Silk Road was always in luxury or rare goods. These included silks, spices, wool, gold, silver, glass, tea, salt, sugar, cotton, ivory, and jewelry. It was more economical to sell cheaper goods at local markets. It wasn't only goods that passed along the Silk Road. It was also common for traders to carry news and ideas along the route. Roadside inns called caravanserais were the perfect place for traders and travelers along the Silk Road to stop for food, shelter, and rest. Here, they could also exchange stories and ideas. This is one of the reasons the Islamic faith and way of life spread so quickly. Muslim merchants took with them not only goods, but also their faith.